Dear students, are you all ready for one more session of these three-letter words? Yes, we will start with that. Before that, have you all watched the other 4 videos? Yes, keep seeing the videos and revise it. Mainly the pronunciation and also identify the pictures. Now this is one more chart of 3-letter words. Here you can see the words, they have EN, N words, EN words. The same 3-letter words, but the letters used here are different. This picture is showing you the currency. In India, we have rupee. In the same way, in Japan, this is a currency. What do you call it? You call it as yen. Y-E-N. Y-E-N. It is yen. Next, you have this bird and you see it everywhere. It is domesticated in most of the houses, or you see them in farm. It is hen. H-E-N. Hen. It is domesticated in most of the houses. Next, identify this. This is found with your parents or in your house, or you might have seen your teachers using it. So this is a pen. P-E-N. Pen. We use this to write. The pen is used to write. Okay. Next, B-E-N. Ben. It is the name of the mountain peak. It is a name, or it is a mountain peak. Ben. B-E-N. Men. M-E-N. Men. You have 3 man, or you have 3 people here. When it is more than 1, you call them men. If there is 1 person, then you call man. So, there are 3 people here. So, you call them men. Men. The men are chatting or talking to each other. Men. This number you identify very easily, isn't it? It is 10. Number 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 10. See, we all have 10 fingers. We all have 10 fingers. Next, this one, it is a picture of den. Den. D-E-N. We have read, or you might have listened somebody telling that the lion lives in a den. D-E-N. Next one is Ken. K-E-N. Ken. Again, this is also the name. K-E-N. Ken. But all the words, they end with the same sound. Repeat it once again with me. Y-E-N. H-E-N. Hen. P-E-N. Pen. B-E-N. Ben. M-E-N. Men. D-E-N. Den. T-E-N. Ten. K-E-N. Ken. Now, the next part of the chart, it has got words with E-T letters. E-T. You have the other part of the chart here. This is a dog, but you keep it as a pet at home. Pet animal. So that is P-E-T. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Do you have any pet at home? You can have dog as a pet or cat as a pet. So this is called as pet. P-E-T. Pet. Next, jet. Jet, jet. So you have different types of planes, isn't it? So this is one type, jet. It is a jet plane, jet, Jet. Next, so this you use it for the fishing purpose, or you might have seen at home if you have aquarium. When you want to clean the aquarium, we use this to take the fish out of that water and put it into other vessel or tub to clean the aquarium. So this is net, N-E-T, net. We use this net especially when we catch hold of the fish, usually when it comes to the small aquarium or the aquarium. So that is N-E-T, net. Next one is wet. When do we get wet? So when we go out when it is raining, in the rainy season, isn't it children? If you don't have umbrella or if you have not owned raincoat, then you get wet. Or if you want to get wet, you can pour water on you. So that is called as wet, W-E-T, wet. Next, get. So when you get something, you take something to yourself. So you are telling it as get. So see here, this boy, he is giving a gift to this girl. So she is getting that gift. She is getting it because she is taking it from the boy. So she is getting it. So that is get, G-E-T, get. Here, met, M-E-T, met. Again this is the past tense of meet. These two people, they are meeting each other. They have met each other. People meet each other. The past tense is people met, or these two boys met each other. You meet your friends in the school, isn't it? So you can tell, I met my best friend. I met my best friend. This is the wet, V-E-T, wet. So you can see this picture. When you see, you feel it is a doctor, isn't it? She is a doctor. Why do you call her as wet? V-E-T, wet. She is a doctor who treats animals. She is a doctor who treats animals. That's why she is called as wet. Veterinary. Veterinary doctor. Wet. So you all have come to know about these words. But here you have to observe a lot regarding the spellings of the words. Every word is ending with ET. Then they are all 3-letter words. With that, they have same pronunciation at the end of each, same sound. It's not the pronunciation, same sound at the end of all the words. Once again, I'll read it, you repeat it. P-E-T, pet. J-E-T, jet. N-E-T, net. W-E-T, wet. G-E-T, get. M-E-T, met. V-E-T, wet. So many words. Here you have 7 words. Here you have 7 words. Altogether 14 new words with picture. You have to identify the picture. Read it aloud. Read it aloud and practice.